Hey, first grade, we're going to do early bird number 13 today. Let me get to my screen. Here we go, go, go. All right. So this is number 13. We're starting to see some of the same things pop up over and over again. I think next week I will do 3 lessons still on early bird, but the week after that I probably will only do 2 because I'm trying to slowly let y'all be able to do it yourself. So we are missing a letter in these first 3 words, same vowel sound in all of them. So we have the number 10. T-e-n. What letter makes the sound? E. So we're going to put an E there. Ten. Okay, that's a bed. B-e-d. Bed. E again. And then that is a net. N-et. Net. Missing the E again. Okay, for the next thing, we've got the word gem still. And remember when I said if there's an E after a G, it makes the soft sound. It makes the J sound. So a noun is a jewel. Draw a gem. This is going to be a tough one. You know what I do sometimes in my classroom? I pull up something to look at. Okay, we will try. Okay, we are trying to, we're trying to make a gem. Sometimes my lines are not straight. Wow, Miss Dudley. Those need to be straight lines. Oh my. Oops. Okay, sometimes my pictures are better than that, but guess what? I didn't go to college to be an artist. I went to college to be a teacher. You guys did not graduate college yet, nor are you even close, and your job's not an artist. So the picture does not have to be perfect. All right. Let's see. This next sentence, says, I want a pet. You know what? My daughter really wants one of these. I wouldn't mind having one. They do take a lot of care and they're very messy. I want a pet bunny is what I put on there. You can put whatever pet you would like. And then we're going to trace over this the best that we can. I want a pet bunny. And then put your period. Goodness, my bangs. All right, so color the sight words. You know what? I already have blue on my pen. So I'm just going to color the one that's blue first. So I see this one is red, this one is yellow, this one is blue. There we go. We're going to color this one. What is this word? This is a sight word that you should know just by looking at it. Is, his. So his, wherever we see that word, needs to be colored blue. Whoa. Oh, I see 2. Oh, and there's 3. There's 3 hises on here. putting that in a sentence. That could be, that was his pencil. Okay, so then now I'll go to my colors and I'll just change it to the first one because the first one I saw was red and that word is at. At. Miss Dudley is at school. Wherever I see the word at, try to color it in. At. Okay. Oh, there's 3. See how Miss Dudley's trying to stay nicely in the lines. Oh my goodness. You want to do help? I forget how Miss Dudley gets theirs. That's how you get there. We'll do that in just a second. Okay. That's what I want. Okay. So my next word is with, and it's supposed to be yellow. So we'll do with. One, two, widths. Okay. They needs to be green. Whoa, kind of got out of line there. That's okay though. They and okay. And my last one is go, and it needs to be orange. And that's what I was looking for a minute ago was my different colors. If you can see what Miss Dudley's pulling up. Oop, yeah, there. Go back. Okay, so go needs to be orange. As long as it's pretty close to, like the Listen and Learns, Mrs. Oldham, she says it doesn't have to be a perfect red. It could be like a violet red. This looks kind of like a burnt orange to me. It works. It's close enough. Okay. Mine's all colored up now. I can't even see the words. All right, I am going to go back and I'm going to get a black now. You guys are supposed to pick up your pencil, but I got a black. It says to write all the spelling words in the little square. Can you make them all fit? Try it twice. So we know that Miss Dudley doesn't make you do your spelling words right here. We do these sight words that are over next to it. At, with, his. I went ahead and put go there because it's a shorter word and it might fit. And so I could put they down here at the bottom. At, with, his, go, they. Now, if you need to pause the video to finish that, you can, but I'm going to go ahead and go on. Okay, how many dogs do we have down here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dogs. We can write that at the beginning of our addition sentence. Plus how many cats? 1, 2, 3. Plus 3 cats gives me how many pets in total? I can count on. I have 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pets. 4 plus 3 is 7. Oh, my Okay, tracing these numbers, 5, 10, and 8. Okay, which number word down below is 5? 5. This one starts off with the sound. That one's 5. The number 10, I know you can't see my 1 very well. The number 10, 10, starts off with t, t. So this word over here starts off with 10. So that must mean that this is 8. And towards the end of the year, we will learn the E-I-G-H pattern. It actually makes all 4 of those letters together make the A sound. Kind of crazy. Now on the clock, I want you to write the missing number. So we know that 1 starts right here and it just goes up and around, going around the clock, and ends at 12 right here. So what number comes after 1? 2. So we're going to write 2. Okay, we finished number 13. So I will see you here next Monday for number 16. We will start on 16 at that time. Okay, you guys have a great rest of your day. I miss you here at school. I wish you were here with me. Bye.